What is going on, everybody? It is Dave in here helping you play creatively. So you often get to the end of a song and you might be actually tired of playing the same one chord all the time. And when I'm saying the one chord, I'm referring to, if we're in the key of C major, C is the first note and chord within the scale, and that makes it the one chord, okay? And so whenever you end a song, let's say Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, how I wonder what you are. You're coming back home to the one chord. And you might be like, look, I really would like to play something a little bit differently, especially because I hear that other guy I'm listening to all the time on YouTube, or this person I heard on this record, and they didn't end the song in just playing the one chord. And so today we're going to look at one of my favorite gospel endings, and I'm going to call this the GA ending. And I know Ty did not come up with this ending. However, I remember learning this ending in college when I played the song Sinking. Oh my gosh. Most importantly, it's about the ending, okay? And so we're gonna look at how to play this ending in the key of C, okay? Oh my. I think we're just gonna roll with it, bro. Sometimes mistakes, people need to see those. I promise you though, I do get this ending most of the time, okay? All right, so how do you play this ending in the key of C? Well, here, the first thing we're gonna do is this, okay? So we're gonna play E flat, E, G, A, C. All right, and if you understand your blues scale, that's where these notes are coming from. Okay, and so you have that, okay, and then the second part is following this pattern. Now this is very important, okay, and that pattern goes like this. In my right hand, it's E, G, D, E, okay, left hand is B flat, A, F, G. Okay? All right, and so then you put the two ideas together. Okay? And so that's how you play it. Now, it's very important that you understand the structure of what's going on, because if you understand the structure, you can transpose this into other keys, and then you could also play with the ideas a little bit. So I don't play at a church that does gospel music, okay? And so I can't really play this at the end of a song. It doesn't work. What I can sometimes get away with is this. Okay? And so the structure of it is this. Okay, we have G minor, F, first inversion, D minor, first inversion, C major, second inversion, okay? Or G minor, F, we have an F, I like to look at this as an F6 chord, F minor 6 chord, without the C though, and then we have a C major, okay? So if you understand that structure, what I'm doing is I'm gonna go ahead and make that first chord a G major, a G minor, G major, okay? And that makes it much brighter, and it can suit a couple of other contexts, okay? And so that's something I like to do. Another thing I may do is I may sometimes want to play that F minor 6 chord, okay? And so I may play it like this. And so I go ahead in my left hand and I go ahead and add that minor 3, okay? Here, that's the case of A flat, all right? Now, it's important for you to transpose this into other keys, okay? So I originally learned this in the key of A flat, okay? And so I was able to transpose it to C. Let's go ahead and transpose this to E flat, all right? Okay, and so the way you're transposing it is like this. You're looking at the scale degrees. So in the key of C major, we have flat 3, 3, 5, 6, 1. Flat 3, 3, 5, 6, 1. Those are the scale degrees. Let's go ahead and put that in the key of E flat. We have flat 3, 3, 5, 6, 1. Okay, and then we understand we went to a G minor, F, a D minor, or a F6 to a C major. Okay, so we have minor 5, 4. Let's look at this as a 2 for now. 1. Minor 5, 4, 2, 1. So if we're in the key of E flat, we have minor 5, 4, 2, 1, okay? All right, so now we're going to apply that. And the only thing there I did is I took out the middle note for the minor 5, 2, 1. So, and I put the note on the end of what was in my right hand in my left hand, okay? All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you like content like this, go ahead and like and subscribe. Also, if you're listening to this and you're saying to yourself, okay, I'm not able to follow along, you know, music, we often like to think that things work in sequential steps. But the truth is, that's not how music works all the time. It's really, you learn a concept and you work on that concept. So someone teaches you that concept and then you try to apply that concept. And then you take another concept and then you try to apply that concept with the concept that you've learned. And it's not always in sequential steps. Sometimes you actually go back and learn something that was really rudimentary, but you apply it to something complex. I know what I said may even sound complex, but hey, if you're looking for a way to learn the piano that will help you grow, help you play creative ideas, you don't fully understand what's being said here, go ahead and check out my website at play-creatively.com, where you will find everything you need to grow as a piano player. Until next time, keep watching, keep learning, and we'll keep growing together. I'll see you guys next week.